I unplug. Do you notice what happened? So let me plug it back in. So this is the charger. You see? Exactly. So why does it behave like this? Basically, what happens is that it switches from one refresh rate to the other. So let me go to this so that you'll be able to see clearly. So let me right click on the desktop area, display settings, the display settings, and scroll down to the bottom, advanced display. Then look at this. As it is, this PC is plugged in, right? It is plugged in, and this is 60. Come to focus. This is 60.07 hertz. All right. Refresh rate. If you look at this, okay. This is a refresh rate. Yeah, should say refresh rate. So the refresh rate when it is plugged in is 60.07. Right. Now I'm going to unplug, see what happens. You see, that's gone blind. Then you see the refresh rate, it starts turn to 40.01 hertz. So that's why it's showing that display. It will go blank, then it will come back. So when it go blank, it's actually going back, changing the refresh rate. So when it is plugged in, it's going to use a higher refresh rate. And when it is unplugged, it's going to use lesser refresh rate. Right. Look at this. Is that a higher rate gives smoother motions, but also uses more power. So that is why when the PC is on battery, it's going to use a less refresh rate so that the battery can last more than when it is on high refresh rate. Right. So what is refresh rate? Refresh rate, basically, it is how many times, right? It is how many times the screen can update the image per second. So as it is, this laptop screen, yeah, it can update the image 40.01 times per second. That is when it is on battery. And when it is plugged in, it's going to update it. That is 60, was it 60.01? Then plug it back in. Let me look at the refresh rate. So that is 60.07 times per second. And as it is, it said that the higher the refresh rate, the smoother, yeah, that is, the more fluid the image that will be displayed. If you are playing movie, blah, blah, yeah, there are higher refresh rate than this. There is 144 Hz, 144 Hz. The higher the refresh rate, the better the fluidity. Yeah, the better, the smoother the motion, all right, of the display. So one might say that, oh, I don't like my screen to be, behaving this way. But know this, it's not that the PC is faulty, that it switches that way. No, it is okay. It's because it switched from one refresh rate to the another. So if you want to stop this, we don't want, it to be do like that. Maybe it's kind of annoying. So you don't want that. So what will you do? All right. So here I'm going to click on this display adapter properties for display. Then here's it. I will come to this Intel HD graphics control panel. I just want to have access to the control panel. All right. And you look at here, see the refresh rate is 60 Hz, blah, blah, because it is plugged in, right? This is 60.07 Hertz. So this one is just, use a whole number. It doesn't factor in the decimal points. Why this? It's factored in the decimal points. All right. So I'm going to click on the properties. Graphics properties. All right. So here I'll come to the power. So this is the power section. Then I will click on the battery, right? This on the battery. You look at there, display refresh rate switching. So as it is enabled. So I can disable it. So it has disabled. Then I'll click on apply. All right. Yes, apply towards the bottom right. Okay, this is apply. So apply. As it is, it has been disabled, right? So if I unplugged, you see, it's not going to switch. Let me go back here to here. All right, you look at this. If I unplug, It's not going to switch. All right. So it gets stuck at 60.07 hertz. All right. So if I don't want to use this, I can just come to 40.01 hertz. All right. This is me manually selecting it if I want my battery to last longer. All right. So as it is, it has been disabled, right? And this is 40.01. If I plug in, it's not going to switch. Despite the fact that I plugged in the PC. So the PC has plugged in, right? Is that it doesn't switch? Okay. It doesn't switch. So let me unplug. I look at the sign here. Look at the sign of plugin. Can you see the sign of plug? Let me unplug. You see, I've unplugged, but it doesn't switch. It doesn't go blind. All right, that is 40.01. So I've disabled it here in this Intel blah blah Intel HD graphics control panel. So that's been disabled. All right, so that's what you do.